Hi, my name is Ruchir, and this is Notifications. Notifications intelligently alert the right team member at the right time based on your AI's interactions. Unlike traditional software, you can use plain English to prompt exactly when you want to be notified. For example, only notify me via text message when a caller is angry. Instead of being overwhelmed by every single notification, you can set up smart filters. You can choose to be notified based on a plain English scenario, a phone call alert, a voicemail, a text message, a chatbot message, or anything else. You can configure notifications to come in as emails or text messages. To configure notifications, navigate to Notify Me in Settings. Then hit the big blue Create Notification button. Then simply choose when to be notified. My favorite type of notification is the custom scenario, where you can just type out when you want to be notified. Finally, type in the email addresses or phone numbers that you'd like to be notified in the situation. You can set up multiple notifications, and whether it's a lead coming in through email, text, phone, or any other channel that Frontdesk supports, you will never miss a lead.